Hello students, Rohtash Sharma here, Assistant Professor in Mechanical Department, RBIT Technical and Medical Campus. We have to discuss about the properties of fluid. Now we will continue our topic specific gravity. Specific gravity is defined as the ratio of the weight density of a fluid to the weight density of a standard fluid. For liquids, the standard fluid is taken as water, and for gases, the standard fluid is taken as air. Specific gravity is also called relative density. It is dimensionless quantity and is noted by the symbol S. Now specific gravity for liquids is equal to weight density of liquid divided by weight density of water. Similarly, specific gravity for gases, weight density of gas divided by weight density of air. Thus, weight density of a liquid is equal to S into weight density of water. And we know density of water is 1000 into 9.81 Newton per meter cube. Thus, density of liquid is equal to S into density of water. If the specific gravity of fluid is known, then the density of fluid will be equal to specific gravity of fluid multiplied by the density of water. There is an example of specific gravity of mercury is 13.6. Now density of mercury is 13.6 into 1000. These are some examples for the specific gravity of specific weight, density, specific gravity of liquids. Next property is viscosity. Viscosity is defined as a property of a fluid which offers resistance to the movement of one layer of fluid over another adjacent layer of the fluid. When two layers of a fluid, a distance dy as shown in figure apart, move one over the other of different velocities, say u and u plus du. There are two layers having the one layer velocity u and second is u plus du as shown in figure. The viscosity together with relative velocity causes a shear stress acting between the fluid layers. The top layer causes a shear stress on the adjacent layer, and while the lower layer causes a shear stress on the adjacent top layer as shown in figure. This shear stress is proportional to the rate of change of velocity with respect to y. It is noted by the symbol tau called tau. Mathematically, tau is directly proportional to du upon dy, and tau is equal to mu into du upon dy, where mu is called the constant of proportionality, is known as the coefficient of dynamic viscosity or only viscosity, and du upon dy represents the rate of shear strain of rate of shear deformation or velocity gradient. Now mu is equal to tau upon du upon dy. Thus viscosity is also defined as the shear stress required to produce unit rate of shear strain. Now we can calculate the unit of viscosity, and SI unit of viscosity is Newton second per meter square. There is kinematic viscosity. Kinematic viscosity is the ratio between the dynamic viscosity and density of fluid, is denoted by the symbol nu. Nu is viscosity upon density and mu by rho. The SI unit of kinematic viscosity is meter square per second. Okay, thank you students.